Hi friends, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. In this class, we will learn the definition of logarithm with examples. It comes to the definition of logarithm, it's not very easy definition. It takes some time to understand the definition. Please watch this video till the end to understand complete definition of logarithm. First, we will see what is the definition of logarithm. You observe here a comma b are two positive real numbers and a not equal to 1 such that a power x equal to b. Here I considered a and b are two positive real numbers. We are taking a and b are two positive real numbers and a not equal to 1 such that a power x equal to b. For example, you see here 3 square. 3 square equal to 9. You see here this is a, this is b. These two are positive real numbers and this is not equal to 1. Try to understand. What I am trying to say, if you are able to find an equation of the form a power x equal to b, here a and b are positive real numbers and a not equal to 1. If you are able to find such expression, then only logarithm defined. You observe here in this a power x equal to b, x is called logarithm of b to the base a. See, whatever I written here, the full thing I'll write in a single line. If you are able to find such thing a power x equal to b, then x is called, this x is called, what x is called? Logarithm of b. Logarithm. See, I'll just simply write log. Log is the abbreviation of logarithm. Logarithm of b. Simply I'll write log b to the base a. And here very important point is, it is if and only if condition. Whenever you see a power x equal to b, then you can write x equal to log b base a. At the same time, whenever you see x equal to log b base a, it can be written as a power x equal to b. You try to understand, this is if and only if condition. Whenever you see a power x equal to b, you can write x equal to log b base a. At the same time, whenever you see x equal to log b base a, we can write a power x equal to b. So here you see, if you are able to find 3 square equal to 9, as per the definition of logarithm, what you can write? What is 2? What is 2? 2 is called logarithm of 9 base 3. Okay, try to understand here. Logarithm of 9 base 3 is what? 2 is called logarithm of 9 base 3. Correct? From the definition, if you are able to identify 4 cube equal to 64, from this expression, you write the logarithmic form from the definition. 3 is called, 3 is what? 3 is logarithm of 64 base 4. I hope you are understanding. Now you see 5 square equal to 25. 2 is called logarithm of 25 base 5. Yes. Now you see here, this is a power x equal to b. As per the definition, what it can be written as? It can be written as x equal to log b base a. I hope you are understanding. What we will discuss now, that is more important. These things we use while solving the problems. For example, if you see an expression of this form, log b base c equal to x. You observe here, if you see x equal to log b base a, it can be written in the form of a power x equal to b in exponent form. This is exponent form. Here, log b base c equal to x, what it can be written as? As per the definition, it can be written as, you observe here, you observe this base, a power x equal to b. Here, what it can be written as? It can be written as c power x equal to b. Try to understand. It's simple thing. You please observe this. Log 32 base 2 is 5. Logarithm of 32 base 2 is 5. How you can write this in the form of a power x equal to b? How you can write this in the form of a power x equal to b? You just take this base power this number 2 power 5 equal to 32. I hope you are understanding. This is the definition of logarithm. What is the definition of logarithm? A and b are two positive real numbers and a not equal to 1 such that a power x equal to b. Then x is called logarithm of b to the base a. whatever the meaning is there, that full meaning is given in this one line. What is that? If you are able to find a power x equal to b, then this x is called logarithm of b to the base a. Here important point, a and b are positive real numbers and a not equal to 1. Why a not equal to 1? That we'll understand in the coming examples. Okay, so what we learn, when you see a power x equal to b, then x is called logarithm of b to the base a. See, after the examples, you will get more clarity about this definition of logarithm. In case, if you want to find logarithm of 25 base 5, what is its value? You want to find this. Logarithm of 25 base 5 value you want to calculate. How you will calculate? See here, I'll take this value as x. Solution. First, I'll take logarithm of 25 base 5. Its value is x. That means I need to calculate x value. Please observe here, when you see this type of expression x equal to log b base a, how you will write this in exponent form? It can be written as a power x equal to b. Try to understand, a power x equal to b. Here this can be written as per the definition, this can be written as, yes, you take this 5 in the base, 5 power x, 5 power x equal to 25. How can you write like this? As per the definition, just we learn this definition. Okay, so 5 power x equal to 25. Here 5 power x equal to this 25 can be written as 5 square, correct? So here as bases are equal, power should be equal. So what is x here? X is 2. Okay, what is x? You see this, what is x? X is log 25 base 5. So log 25 base 5 is equal to 2. Okay, now we'll try to understand this with one more example. Suppose if you want to calculate logarithm of 64 base 4 value, how you will calculate? First, I'll consider this as x. Logarithm of 64 base 4, I'll consider this as x. As per the definition, when you see the expression of the form x equal to log b base a, it can be written as a power x equal to b. So how we can write this as? It is important. You can write this as, you take this base 4 power x. 4 power x equal to 64. Please try to understand. Okay. 4 power x equal to 64. 64 is nothing but 4 cube. Correct? 64, 4 into 4, 16. 16 4s are 64. Okay, as bases are equal, power should be equal. So what is x here? X is 3. So what is x? Actually, we consider this expression as x. Okay, so logarithm of 64 base 4 is 3. You observe this base, this is 5. What answer you got here? You got 2 here. What expression is there here? Here 25 is there. You please observe here, 5 power, by writing what number you will get 25, that is the answer. Please catch this point. Similarly, no need to go through all this procedure. Logarithm of 64 base 4, you observe here, 4 power what number will gives you 64, 4 power, that number is the answer. See, we know that 4 cube is 64. If you are able to identify 4 power what number is 64, directly you can write its answer. Okay, for example, you see this example number 3. Logarithm of 32 base 2. What is its value? If you are able to identify 2 power what number will be 32, that is the answer. 2 power what number is 32? 2 power 5 is 32. So its answer is 5. You can write directly like this. In case if you don't know, then as usual procedure. What is that as usual procedure? First I'll take log 32 base 2 as x. As per this definition, I can write a power x equal to b. What I can write here? I can write 2 power x. 2 power x. This is important. You need to understand this. 2 power x equal to 32. 2 power x equal to 32. 32 can be written as 2 power 5. As bases are equal, power should be equal. X equal to 5. What is x? We consider log 32 base 2 as x. So here this is log 32 base 2 equal to 5. You please observe this example. We need to find log 5 base 25 value. What point I discussed, if you are able to identify 25 power what number will gives you 5, that is the answer. 25 power what number will gives you 5, that is the answer. If you identified it directly, write the answer directly. Otherwise, you just go through the procedure. What is the procedure? You take log 5 base 25 as x. Okay, so you need to find this value now. So here this can be written as, you take this 25 power x can be written as 5. How you can write like this? As per the definition. Okay, so here 25 can be written as 5 square whole power x equal to 5. Okay, here it is of the form a power m whole power n, that is nothing but a power mn. So 5 power 2 into x is 2x equal to 5 can be written as 5 power 1. You observe here, as bases are equal, power should be equal. So 2x equal to 1. What is x from this? X is 1 by 2. What is x? We considered log 5 base 25 as x. So what is x here? X is log 5 base 25. So you got the value of log 5 base 25. What is its value? Its value is 1 by 2. Once again I am saying here, 25 power 1 by 2 will gives you 5. If you want, you can check. 25 power 1 by 2. Check it. What is 25 power 1 by 2? 25 can be written as 5 square. 5 square whole power 1 by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled. What you will get? Its answer is 5. So if you identify in the beginning itself 25 power 1 by 2, that means root 25. Root 25 is 5. Directly you can write its answer. No need of all this procedure. In case if you are unable to find it directly, then follow this procedure. I hope you understand. What is logarithm? Logarithm is an exponent. You see here, exponent is the answer. This is the base. This is the exponent. Exponent is the answer. Remember this. You see this example, log 1 base 10 is what? If you are able to identify 10 power what number will gives you 1, that is the answer. If you are not able to identify, you follow the regular procedure. What is that regular procedure? I'll consider log 1 base 10 as x. As per this definition, this can be written as, yes, this can be written as 10 power x equal to 1. Okay, 10 power x. Here to find the value of x, this 1 can be written as 10 power 0. 10 power 0 value is 1. We know that. Correct or not? Yes. So as bases are equal, power should be equal. What is x value here? X value is 0. What is x? I considered log 1 base 10 as x. So right here, log 1 base 10 is 0. In the beginning only, if you identified that 10 power 0 is 1, directly you can write its answer 0. Please get this point. Logarithm is an exponent. Remember this point. Logarithm is an exponent. Now, last two examples which will gives you more clarity about this logarithm definition. Okay, you see logarithm of minus 2 base 3 value. You just start doing, you try to get this answer. We will see what you will get in general procedure. First I will take logarithm of minus 2 base 3 equal to x. As per the definitions, this can be written as 3 power x equal to minus 2. Now you identify 3 power what number will gives you minus 2. 3 power what number will gives you minus 2. You see, 3 power any number is always positive. Suppose 3 power minus 2 I written. In place of x, if I write in minus 2, what is this? This is nothing but 1 by 3 square. This is nothing but 1 by 9. This is positive only now. So 3 power any number you write, it is always positive. If you take x is 0, 3 power 0 value is what? 1. Try to understand. What I am asking you, you find some x value such that 3 power that number is negative. You won't get. I hope you are understanding. You cannot find x such that 3 power x is negative. So what happening here? It is not defined. We cannot find this value. That means what I am trying to say here, logarithm of minus 2 base 3 value is what? What is its value? Its value is not defined. Why it is not defined? Because logarithm is defined for positive real numbers only. Log is defined only for positive real numbers. Logarithm is defined only for positive real numbers. In this definition, a and b are positive real numbers and a is not equal to 1. You keep this point also in your mind. This base cannot be equal to 1. Now last example, log 4 base 1. What is its value? You observe here, we know that logarithm is defined for positive real numbers and this base value cannot be equal to 1. Here base value 1 is there. This is not defined. In case if you don't know all those things, try to do this in regular method. What is that regular method? I'll consider log 4 base 1 value is x. As per the definition, this can be written as 1 power x equal to 4. This can be written as 1 power x equal to 4. You identify the x value such that 1 power x is equal to 4. You identify x value. 1 power what number is 4? 1 power 4 is what? 1 power 4 is 1 only. 1 power 3 is 1 only. 1 power what number will gives you 4? You cannot find x value such that 1 power x is 4. Are you understanding? That's why in the definition itself they clearly mention that if a and b are positive real numbers and a is not equal to 1, then only logarithm is defined. So what you will say here, what is the value of log 4 base 1? What is its value? In the base 1 is there, that's why this is not defined. Nobody knows its value. It is not defined. Why it is not defined? Because base cannot be equal to 1. As per the definition, base cannot be equal to 1. I hope you got clarity in the definition of logarithm. In the next class, we will learn the properties of logarithmic function.